Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Turbo Thrills 101. Today we're diving deep into a topic that has been bugging all of us lately. Why on earth are car colors so darn boring these days? I mean, seriously, it feels like every car on the road is either white, black, or gray. But fear not, my friends, because we're about to uncover the 9 shocking reasons behind this automotive color crisis. So, buckle up and let's get started. You might have noticed that car manufacturers are playing it safe with neutrals colors. Why? It turns out, they believe these colors have a broader appeal and can potentially increase resale value. But seriously, who wants to drive a sea of monotony? Did you know that regulations regarding car paint and heat absorption are stricter than ever? Lighter colors reflect more sunlight, reducing the need for air conditioning. While it's eco-friendly, it's definitely cramping our colorful car style. Cost-effectiveness plays a role too. Offering a wide array of colors adds complexity to the manufacturing process, which can increase costs. So, car makers often stick to the basics to keep the assembly line moving. Believe it or not, trends in fashion and design influence car colors. The minimalist, sleek look is in, and that's translating to the cars we drive. But hey, what happened to standing out in the crowd? A not-so-fun fact. Darker and more vibrant colors tend to show dirt and scratches more easily. So, to save us from constant trips to the car wash, we're stuck with colors that hide the mess, thanks, practicality. Global markets play a role too. Car manufacturers aim for universal appeal, and neutral colors are likely to clash with varying cultural preferences. But isn't variety the spice life? Technology and paint innovation are incredible, but they come at a cost. Special pigments and finishes can be expensive and might not hold up well over time. So, we're left with the basics once again. Now, here's the million-dollar question. What can we do about it? Well, folks, it's time for colorful rebellion. Let's show car manufacturers that we want to stand out, express our personalities, and bring some excitement back to the streets. So there you have, the 9 not-so-exciting reasons why our cars are rocking the same old colors. But remember, we have the power to change this. Next time you're at a dealership, demand some variety. Who knows, maybe we'll bring back the golden age of vibrant car colors. If you're as passionate about this as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more thought-provoking content, and let's start a colorful revolution together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep driving with style and flair.